In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a free hair salon website using WordPress and Elementor, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking hair salon website that you can customize with your own content, images, and contact details without paying for premium themes or builders. This method is perfect for salon owners, hairstylists, barbers, or anyone starting a beauty business online. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. This is usually found by going to your website URL and adding /wp-admin at the end. Once you're logged in, this is where you'll manage everything on your site, including themes, plugins, pages, and design settings. From the dashboard, we're going to start by installing a free theme that works perfectly with Elementor. Go to Appearance, then click on Themes. From here, click Add New, and in the search bar, type Astra. Astra is a lightweight, fast, and very popular free WordPress theme that integrates perfectly with Elementor and starter templates. Once you see Astra, click Install, and after installation is complete, click Activate. Now that the Astra theme is active, the next step is to install the plugins we need. Go back to your dashboard and click on Plugins, then Add New. In the plugin search bar, type Elementor. Install and activate the Elementor Website Builder plugin. This will allow you to visually edit your pages using drag and drop. Next, still in Plugins, search for Starter Templates. This plugin works with Astra and gives you access to hundreds of ready-made website designs, including hair salon templates. Install and activate the Starter Templates plugin as well. Once both plugins are activated, we're ready to choose a hair salon website design. Go to Appearance, then click on Starter Templates. The setup wizard will open. When asked to choose a page builder, select Elementor. Now you'll see a library of templates. In the search bar, type Hair Salon. Browse through the available free templates and choose the one that best fits your style and brand. Click on the template, then go through the setup steps. You can choose to import the entire site, including pages, images, and demo content. This makes things much faster and easier. Once the import is complete, your hair salon website is essentially ready. Now let's review your website. Open your site in a new tab and scroll through the pages. You'll see your home page, services section, about page, and contact page already laid out in a professional way. Everything you see can be customized. The final step is to personalize the site with your own details. To do this, go back to your WordPress dashboard, open the page you want to edit, and click Edit with Elementor. Elementor will open a visual editor where you can click on any text, image, or button and change it. Update your salon name, phone number, email address, business hours, and location. You can also replace images with photos of your own salon or work. Take your time here and make the site feel like your brand. Once you're done, click Update to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a free hair salon website using WordPress and Elementor. You now have a professional website that you can continue to improve and grow over time. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress and Elementor guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.